Appreciation all poems. Standard 10. Subject English. E-test. Like, share, subscribe. Video creation Shivaji Bapu Jagtap. A Teenager's Prayer. Title A Teenager's Prayer. Poet J. Morse. Rhyme scheme A B C B. Figure of speech alliteration. Central idea the stage of teenager is important. He decides the path of life. So in this poem, teenagers praise God to show him the way of success. Poem number 2, Basket Full of Moonlight. Title, Basket Full of Moonlight. Poet Sunil Sharma. Rhyme scheme, free verse. Figure of speech, repetition. Central idea, the child wished to light up his village road by using moonlight. It makes traveling easier for the people in the village. It expresses his love for his father also. Poem number 3, You Start Dying Slowly. Title, You Start Dying Slowly. Poet Pablo Neruda. Rhyme scheme, free verse. Figure of speech, alliteration. Central idea, the poem revolves around the idea the life must be enjoyed, lived and cherished. It says that we should look for passion, follow our dreams and take chance to make the most of life. Poem number 4, title The Twins. Poet Henry S. Lee. Rhyme scheme A B A B. Figure of speech hyperbole. Central idea, this is a humorous poem. The entire poem speaks about the absurdities that occur due to the close resemblance between the twin brothers. The poet expresses how one's identities exchanged due to twin brothers. The irony depicted in this poem. Poem number 4, If. Title, If. Poet Rudyard Kipling. Rhyme scheme A B A B. Figure of speech, antithesis. Central idea, the poem is a piece of advice given by the father to his son. The poet has provided different situations and expected behavior from his son. The poet wants his son to be a man. Poem number 5, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Title, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Poet Robert Frost. Rhyme scheme A B A. Figure of speech, inversion. Central idea, the poet describes a little incident happening in a snowy evening. As a traveler, the poet is fascinated by beautiful scene in the woods. He stops to enjoy, but his mind urges him to go. Poem number 6, title The World Is Mine. Poet Joy Lovett Crawford. Rhyme scheme A B B C C. Figure of speech, inversion. Central idea, the poem is an insight beckoning the modest thing which people do usually ignored by themselves. The speaker is speaking about her perfect creation in comparison with lame, blind and deaf person. Poem number 8, O Captain, My Captain. Title, O Captain, My Captain. Poet Walt Whitman. Rhyme scheme A B B. Figure of speech, repetition. Central idea, the poem is about the mixed emotion of the speaker at his captain's death on board. When they return voyage, the poem is symbolic of the fixed feeling of the Americans at the death of President Abraham Lincoln. I request you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.